That is an unhappy, very unhappy A-pillar.
Yeah, that's the problem. It's not charging. He just did that.
Yeah.
He just did that. I watched it happen.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Don't look, Gary. Wait till you get home.
Oh, God. It looks like my...
That is not good. Yeah, I don't know who's worse, Kelly's A-pillar or Gary's B-pillar. What's up, guys? Today on Dirt Lifestyle, you're gonna see 4 sweet rigs, hit a whole bunch of sweet trails, you're gonna meet some new people, we're gonna have a great time, hopefully no one breaks. It had that spline on spline sound. We had a little misfortune already. My friend over here with the teal Toyota, something happened to this transfer case. Something either broke on the inside or something is broken. We can't get the shift linkage to work, so we're gonna actually pull him out. The trails are small enough and close enough together. He said he's just gonna walk. He's just gonna walk next to us and have fun that way. So the more the merrier. We're still gonna have a good day, but that is some misfortune right there. Driver. Keep coming, keep going. You're okay. Now you're all sorts of squirrels. Turn it my way. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Alright, stop. Coming, hard driver, hard driver. There you go. Nice job.
Hard that way.
Nice driving.
Got that rub roll. There you go.
You ready to hit the little V-notch over here?
I am ready. I watched these two and now I've got an idea and let's see how it goes.
Well, for people at home, they don't know, we've been sitting here for a while. It's been, I don't know, over an hour. And this obstacle looks pretty gnarly. We're gonna do the left line. There's a little V-notch over there. I'll show you in a minute. There's no shame in pulling cable. Unless you want me to say something else. I can say, dude, hit it with your burst, blur, blur.
Yeah, let's just pull a line out. What gear are you? What range are you in right
now? I broke my Jeep. I don't know what I did. This has done this one other time. I killed it. I was beating the crap out of it. Everything was hot. I killed it on the rock. It does not want to restart. So I am screwed. We have to put this thing on a trailer. It's a good thing I don't drive it to the trail, right? We're back in the shop. Ooh, check this out. She lives. This little relay was causing me a ton of headache. So we're gonna go back to Reiter Pit tomorrow. Not Reiter Pit. I keep getting told it's not called Reiter Pit. We're going back to Reiter. It used to be called Reiter Pit. We're gonna go get some redemption. I'm gonna go with my buddy Kelly from Muddy Beards. We're gonna do a round 2. Now that I know what the issue is, I know that if I have this problem again, I just need to replace that relay. I've got 2 more, brand new OEM relays that I'm going to be keeping as spares in case this happens again. And long term, I'm going to put a more robust relay in there. But for now, we're just going to go wheeling. We're back at Reiter for round 2. I want to complete the trail that I couldn't complete, well, at the beginning of this video. And I've got a new cast of characters that you guys will meet throughout the day. I've got my friend Gary with the Northwest Jeep cast. Say hi, Gary.
Buddy.
You're going to see he's got a very nice LS3 swap Jeep. He's going to be making all the bald eagle screams through the jungle here. It's going to be pretty awesome. Yeah. Or Forest. You guys know Kelly from Muddy Beards. If you watched my channel before, you know Kelly. And we're all going to get up, just get after it. 3 rigs on 40s, what can go wrong? Effortless. I made it to my nemesis. Hopefully I can make it up. We're gonna do a 3 tries you're out policy today, so we're not gonna spend all day on this trail. So I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna see if I can make it up without killing it, and hopefully nobody has to pull me out of here.
A little more pat. Oh yeah, right there. Yep. Walk me over. Exactly where I ended up yesterday. Hold on, stay there. We're gonna flip. Oh, that wasn't a bump. I just pulled it up. That was a girl bump. Whoop.
Damn.
Any power? It needs a little more than that. Yeah, no, something.
Ooh.
It's actually more power than that. Are you giving it? Yeah. Oh yeah, something wrong.
Issues. I went to my favorite rock, realized it didn't have a lot of power, popped the hood, the fuel pump was unplugged for whatever reason. Could have been a stick. I was pulling a bunch of sticks out of here from when they had to drag me out. And it's not charging. So I'm wondering, 2 things must have gotten unplugged and hit by a stick. So now we're gonna jump it and troubleshoot it.
Yeah, that's the problem. It's not charging.
Uh-oh. Well, I've never been one to leave well enough alone. Isn't that the expression? Perhaps today, on this beautiful day, I could have went wheeling anywhere else. My friend Gary suggested Walker Valley. That might have been nice.
Could have been Walker.
But I made it to the same spot as Saturday, and I guess I thought I was gonna have a different result. Yeah. So just a string of bad luck. When they were pulling me out last time, there's a bunch of branches and stuff that got wedged in here. One of them definitely broke off. Take a look at this. Broke this guy off. This goes in here. And that is what tells the alternator to charge. So I think ever since Saturday, I've been running just on the battery. The diesel doesn't need much power to run, but it needs some. And now the voltage is low enough that I think it's the computer is putting it in limp mode because I have no power. But that's definitely related to the fact that I have less than 10 volts. That has to be. So, because I mean, it's had great power all day. The thing has ran perfect. And we're charging. We've got a charger over to Gary there. We're all putting our heads together. We're just gonna charge this bad boy up. We're gonna back it up. Gary's gonna go first, shows how it's done in one shot.
Tell that, man. I'm in trouble too.
Yeah, it's a good obstacle. So then we'll have at least an available winch up top to pull me up, because when I can't charge, I probably shouldn't be using the winch. made it up. Woohoo! It's getting hot. We're all getting tired. It's getting late too. You know, for only being like 5 obstacles into this trail,
It's gnarly, man.
It's gnarly. It's taken a pretty good day.
Yeah.
You know, it's funny, the obstacles don't look like much, but because they're Pacific Northwest rocks, you don't get great traction. So it's just, it's a good challenge. There's nobody in the park but us. It is amazing. Yeah. So we're having a great time. There's still lots of trail left. The Jeep's running great, so we got enough charge in it that we can definitely have fun for the rest of the trail and see what else is in store.
You're in it now, Kelly.
Winch!
All right, buddy. We'll see you next time.
Yeah, we're gonna turn around. This was stupid.
I don't know why you decided to come this way.
Who would do this to themselves, right, guys? I didn't get footage of it, but take a look at that A-pillar. That is an unhappy, very unhappy A-pillar.
Yeah, that was a Band-Aid on that.
Yeah, that was it got a pretty good slapping. And now Kelly is I don't know, what would you call this, turtled? What is this?
I don't even know.
It's messed up.
It's really stuck.
You're between a rock and a hard place. There's no doubt about it. Whoa, that tie rod is really bent.
He just did that.
Yeah.
He just did that. I watched it happen.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
This is why we trailer, Gary. I know you think you're all cool.
Hey man, I drive to the trail, do the trail, and drive home.
Yeah.
You're digging up old growth forest over here, Kelly.
Well, now I'm scared, Matt. Should I be scared?
Maybe, man. He's tacoed his steering like it's Tuesday.
Yeah. Tacos Tuesday steering.
Oh,
There it is.
I'm gonna take my doors off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You do you, Nate.
Door.
Door prize!
Door prize.
Oh, yeah. Well, it's stuck enough that Kelly's Jeep is just pulling towards me. So we have to anchor him so he doesn't move, so we can slowly work me out of here. I'm very wedged. Gary is going to be interesting because he's going to be even worse than we will. It's going. There we go. That tree's scary.
Dead.
Hang on, Gary. I think we need to double winch you, man. I haven't had to double winch somebody in a really long time. All right, double winch.
I've never seen 3 winch lines hooked to something.
Yeah, this is double 12,000, so we're at 24 plus Gary's 10K. but she's a heavy gal and she's wedged pretty good. What a crazy operation. Dude. Oh yeah. Woo!
There you go, boys. Hold on.
There it is.
There it is. Wow.
Yeah.
I can see the
I've never seen something struggle like to get over with
Back out a little bit, Kelly.
34,000 pounds assisting it.
the bottom of the tree. The bark is all cracked.
Yeah, that is
Sketchy.
That is sketchy.
It's definitely a dead tree.
I'm
so
glad that you helped out and hooked up your winch
we
too.
definitely needed it.
We definitely needed it because it still struggled to get over.
Really?
Oh no!
My
Yeah.
A-pillar. Do I really not want to see it?
Don't look, Gary. Wait till you get home.
Oh, fuck. It looks like my A-pillar.
That is not good. Yeah, I don't know who's worse, Kelly's A-pillar or Gary's B-pillar.
It's a crapshoot.
It's a crapshoot.
Yeah.
Either way, it's not fun. We made it back, as you can see. I was able to drive on the trailer, and to me, that is a success. When you can drive yourself on the trailer instead of winch yourself on the trailer, that is a home run. So I've got some things I obviously need to deal with and fix. So does my friend Gary, and so does Kelly over there. We all had a great time. We didn't even make it to Broke It. You gotta not break it to go to Broke It, and we couldn't even do that. So thank you very much to Brother Pickle for helping me film. Thank you very much to Kelly from Muddy Beards. Make sure you follow Kelly. He's got an awesome channel, and make sure you listen to the NW Jeepcast. Gary and his other co-founder, co-host. There's two Garys. It's very confusing, but it's a good podcast. I recommend you listen to it. They're great guys.
Thanks.
And thank you so much for watching. If you want to help support the channel, you can go to thedirtlifestyle.com. We have t-shirts, hats. We even have a Patreon account. And if you want to follow me on social media, @DirtLifestyleNate. We'll see you next time.